Welcome back to In the Garage. As you can see, we're fixing holes in the floor. There's a lot of them. That's what we're gonna be doing on this episode. Fixing holes in the floor. Welcome back to In the Garage. Guys, like I said at the beginning of the video, we're going to be doing some welding today. We've got this patch panel cut out, got it tacked in, and you'll notice these 3 holes in it. Reason is, underneath, or 4 holes rather, underneath those 4 holes is the floor brace that goes across this way, and that's where the original floor came in contact with that floor brace, so we're just gonna weld right back to it, and we're gonna do that with some spot welds. We get them real good and hot, that way they stick good. Y'all hold tight. It's a week later, and I'll tell you what, I'm pretty dead-burned disillusioned right now. I lost every bit of the footage of what I've got done up to this point on the welding and patch paneling and all that stuff. Don't know what happened to it. But anyway, show must go on. I'll flip you around and we'll take a look at what we got done. I guess we'll start over here, I guess. If y'all remember, this whole thing here was completely rotted out. So, I went ahead and shaped this piece here, got it welded in, and I've got to cut this out and build the side. The inside doesn't have, it's just an open ledge, which, if you look at that side over there, I have filled with expansion foam, and a couple of reasons I did that. Down inside, let's see if I can show you. Down inside here, where this inner wheel well meets to the outside of the quarter panel, I don't know, somewhere in this region here, there is seam sealer, and you cannot replace that seam sealer. It's put on before the quarter panel is put on. So the only way that you can get to that section of seam sealer is to remove the quarter panel. So what I have done is just filled that whole cavity full of expansion foam, and then that will seal what I can't get to, and then from inside the wheel well I'll get whatever I can reach. Get it the best I can get it. But that's gonna have to do. Got a patch panel here, got a patch panel right over there. We have one driver's side floorboard installed. We are in the middle of replacing this one. I've got it tack welded and started fully welding it over there. We have a patch panel here and here. Same place on that post over there. What else have we done? Let's see. Oh, we've done a bunch of sandblasting. So all the inside of the Oh, good grief, my brain is not working. Inner door freaking area, whatever you call it, area, is all sandblasted around where all the seam sealer goes, so that I can replace that when the time comes. Had to replace part of the driver's side toe board. Got that welded in. Let's see. Oh, I got patch panel welded in right here on the outer rocker. Doing a lot of work, but it's a little irritating that all of that footage is gone. But I don't know. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? All right, guys, well, as luck would have it, I just ran out of wire, so that's probably going to do it for this episode. I am sorry about losing all that footage. Nobody, see if I can slide past here. Nobody is more aggravated about that than me. It's a pretty crappy deal. That's the first time that's happened. Probably won't be the last. But anyway, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you're notified when I release new videos. And if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up. Just takes a second. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs up twice. But again, sorry about the loss of footage. I'm gonna try to figure out how that happened. I might find it, I don't know. I'm not what you call computer illiterate. I'm sort of like computer stupid, so chances are it's probably gone. But again, subscribe, and y'all go do some work.